I've been waiting for this one for a while now. What do you think, Natty? You smell? Huh? You think it's for you?
Well, now she does.
Yeah. All right. I don't know. It's my new certified blind hat.
Oh no.
What? What happened?
It did not come out right.
Huh?
It didn't come out right.
What do you mean?
It says ERTIFIED BLIN.
Oh my God. We'll have to try that one again.